Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Half-Life 2 in Team Fortress 2. You can dive into the classic Half-Life 2 campaigns, including episodes 1 and 2, but with a fun, new twist. Imagine navigating City 17 or exploring the coast as your favorite Team Fortress 2 mercenary. This exciting mod brings together two iconic Valve games, offering a fresh perspective on familiar adventures, either by yourself or with friends. The key to this experience is a fantastic community-made modification called Lambda Fortress. This mod seamlessly integrates the Half-Life 2 campaigns into the Team Fortress 2 engine. You can choose to play as any of the 9 distinct Team Fortress 2 mercenaries, each bringing their unique abilities to the Half-Life universe. Whether you prefer to go solo or team up with up to 31 other players, Lambda Fortress offers both single-player and cooperative multiplayer options. To begin your adventure, you'll need to own both Half-Life 2 and Team Fortress 2 in your Steam library. Once you have these, head over to the Steam store page for Lambda Fortress. Download and install the mod directly from there. It's crucial to follow any specific installation instructions provided by the mod developers to ensure everything runs smoothly. This typically involves subscribing to the mod and launching the game through Steam. Once installed, you'll experience Half-Life 2 narrative with a completely new feel. Your chosen Team Fortress 2 class will utilize their unique weapons and abilities against the combined forces. Plus, your existing Team Fortress 2 inventory, including cosmetics, carries over into the mod, letting you customize your mercenary. Imagine a team of 32 players, each a different class, working together to overcome the challenges of City 17. It's a truly fresh and exciting way to revisit a classic.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.